All right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Tensorflow course, and we're still doing our visualizing intermediate layers module. Let's have a look at what we went over today. And yesterday, if you recall, we were in the process of running our model, but I did have the wrong one plugged in, so I had to rerun it, make sure everything went through correctly. So we done that. So let's pick up some light reading and see exactly what we have now. So now let's move on to passing an input through this model. To do this, what we want to do is take an input image and pass it into our model. And now since our model outputs the different feature maps with the different hidden layer outputs, we will be able to visualize what's going on inside the BGG model. Now to get this output, we are going to use something similar to the testing that we've already seen. Recall how we carried out the testing where we take an image and test on it using a test image. Let me show you that really quickly. So this is basically how we selected an image and how we ran a test on it. You see here our test image equals a cb2.imageRead. This is our image. This is how we configure the image's size. These are the details, and this is the axis of the image. Then we have f maps equals feature map model.predict. This is we're going to predict the classification of the images. And then this is where we will check our length. So we want to check the length of how many images we have using that right there. So now we will check our feature map and its lengths. Then we want to print out the feature map shape. So then we're going to pick out the feature map shape from all of the shapes we have or from all of the images we have. So let's have a look at the original summary here. So you can see here if we count, so we're not including the input. We're going to count everything else. So you see here we have 1, 2. You see 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. No, I think we have more than 15. Move this up some so we can get a full look without having to scroll up and down like that. So let's recount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we have 17. So let's see if we actually picked it up in our new map here. So you can see we have 13 here instead of 17. So that 13 is because we're not including the max pooling. Like I told you, we're going to exclude those. So we have 17, take away 1, 2, 3, 4. So 17 take away 4 will give us our 13. So we do have the right amount of images. And then we have our shapes of all of those images right here, as you can see. So out of all of those 13 images that we selected from the 17, these are the shapes. You have 1 by 256 by 256 by 64 for the first two. Then we have 1 by 128 by 128 by 128 for the next two. And then for the rest of them, we have 1 by 64 by 64 by 265. So everything is working properly. We are reading our images as we should. We haven't classified them yet. So right now we just got the length of the images, which is 13, and we got the shape of the images as I showed you. And I guess in the next steps, we're going to actually get the predictions on those images and see what the classifications are. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.